Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a strawberry cheesecake chaffle. You're going to need 2 ounces of softened cream cheese, half a tablespoon of your choice of keto sweetener, 1 egg, and some chopped up frozen strawberries, or fresh, whichever you prefer. You will also need a 1/4 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. Combine your ingredients, add your sweetener, give it a nice good stir, get all the ingredients mixed up, and then add in your strawberries. Alright, so I went ahead and added another half tablespoon of the sweetener just because I had tasted it and it wasn't quite as sweet as I wanted. This is trial and error, so I added my strawberry pieces in. This is looking good, and I'm going to, my chocolate maker is heated up. Pour half of my mixture on. Go ahead and close it. Alright guys, here they are. I threw sliced strawberry on there. This makes 3. I ate 1 to try it to see if it was sweet enough, and it was perfect for me. You can put syrup on here. You could just put a little sprinkle of your alternative sugar. You could sprinkle whipped cream on here. Well, I guess you don't sprinkle whipped cream, but you could put some whipped cream on here. Whatever you guys want, but I think these are pretty good. You could replace the strawberries with blueberries. I don't know, you guys. This is so good. The invention of the chaffle is insane.